I'm Ryan Domengeaux, Chief Legal Officer for United Vision Logistics. We're located corporate office in South Louisiana. When first responder was brought to our attention, it was real time. I was a little bit taken aback when I opened up the email that came across to notify us of an accident where the formatting looked a little different than we would normally expected. You know, when it showed up on my email and realized that it was a potential accident involving a life-threatening injury, it was amazing for us. I was sitting in the boardroom with our president at the time and our director of compliance, and opened up the email, watched the video. What was great was immediately had access to all the information we needed to know what to do. So we had the driver's contact information. I was able to call him immediately via that number, make sure that he was okay, nobody else was in danger. We were able to call emergency services through the link in the system, which gave us immediate access to the right folks to report this and get first responders out there. They were able to obtain the information on site location and send people out, so we didn't have to spend time trying to map out where he was or provide them with addresses. That alone was invaluable to us in terms of the timing, how efficient it was for us to immediately respond to an accident or an incident. Within 30 seconds, I can be on the phone with my driver and confirm that he or she needs assistance, or he or she is okay and nobody else is harmed. It's invaluable because then we can kind of calm our emotions a little bit and then turn our attention to what do we need to mitigate, you know, the incident, the accident, the exposure at that point. And so it's very comforting to know that this technology is out there and in real time can help direct us to what we need to do to address these situations.